Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix Instagram keeps logging me out of my iPhone. So in the case that you are using the Instagram application and, well, whenever you go in and launch it, it just keeps on logging you out of there. Well, in this video tutorial, I'm going to teach you guys step by step just how to fix this issue. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, what we need to do first is to actually go ahead and launch the App Store. Go ahead and search for the Instagram application, and I want you to double check if you are updated to the latest version of Instagram. Now, if there is an update available, I would like you guys to go ahead and update your applications to the latest version so that bugs like this would be fixed and you are going to have the best user experience possible. Now, one more quick thing that we could also do is to double check our internet connection with our Wi-Fi and see if we have a stable connection. Now, if you do have some troubles with your Wi-Fi, you could actually go ahead and try your cell data instead of your Wi-Fi and see which one between the two is going to work better for you. Now, those are the two methods that we could actually do in order to fix this issue. Now, in the case that your Instagram application is already up to date, you do have a stable connection with that, you can actually go ahead and try to offload the application by tapping on your settings, going on to general, tapping on iPhone storage, wait for this to finish its loading, and I want you guys to search for the Instagram application. Now, once you're already on there, of course, I'll just wait for this to load first. I would like you guys to go ahead and tap on the search button on the top right and search for Instagram on your device. Now, go ahead and tap on offload app to offload the application, which is going to clear the cache, and once it is done, reinstall it again on your device. It's also going to be located right here once you're done offloading it, and that's going to solve your problem, guys. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys learned something. Take care. This is How to Tech and Tutorials.